Silver just got slammed down and crashed almost 14% overnight during the Asia session, and gold went down 2% by itself. So if you're wondering why you woke up this morning and silver is absolutely crashed and gold has gone down as well, I promise you, I have the answers in this video. I'm going to tell you the 2 reasons why gold and silver went down, and I actually was telling everybody about this inside of NORDIC Alpha and actually inside of my YouTube videos. So there are 2 exact reasons why silver pulled back and why it pulled back to here, and there are also 2 reasons why gold pulled back at the place that it did, and also why it is pulling back to here. Now there is one level that is the line in the sand that has to hold. I've told people about this level on this channel, so if you are in the know, then congratulations for you. If you're not, I would definitely suggest subscribing to the channel and then boom, banging on that notification bell. I will show you that level inside of the video here in just a second. But if you're not familiar with who I am, my name is Drew Wolfer. I am a pro trader and I am the founder of NORDIC Alpha. And we trade inside of the metals, the stock, even the crypto markets, and I'm going to show you pretty much everything you need to know about gold and silver right now. Let's start with the technicals first. As it sits, there is a reason why gold rejected literally right here. This is a tool anybody and everybody can use. This is what is called a Fibonacci. And if you measure from the high to the low on this massive dump from about $5,500 all the way down to $4,423, you will find that your golden pocket was right here. It did retrace to this golden pocket. It did reject, which is the bad news. But the good news is that it actually broke market structure back here to an uptrend on the 1-hour charts. The reason why we pulled back at this level was, first and foremost, we had a naked VWAP level over here. Second to that, we had the 0.618 Fibonacci of this big move down. And I mean this parabolic move down. And when you are in either a downtrend or an uptrend and you are looking for a potential continuation of that trend, what usually happens is you retrace to the 618 to 786 of that move down, and then you start to continue downwards. Now, there is a reason why we are seeing this little pullback, and we're seeing a little bit of kind of support here, and I'm going to tell you about that reason here in just a second. But this is a level that we gave out inside of NORDIC Alpha days and days in advance. We gave that level out down here. We actually took longs right here in NORDIC Alpha. We gave this level out days in advance. I believe it was on the 28th, and this actually happened on the 2nd. We actually took shorts up here. I told everybody about it inside of NORDIC Alpha. If you want those levels, if you want the high level analysis, because it's not something I told everybody on YouTube, make sure you get inside of NORDIC Alpha. It is $29 a month right now. That's less than $1 a day. We offer discounts on 3, 6, and 12-month memberships. Not only did we do this on gold, we also did it on silver, where we shorted from the top. We gave out the level at the bottom back on the 12th of January. Gold has a very similar kind of, line in the sand, but the difference in between gold and silver is that gold is only in a downtrend on the 4-hour chart. So for gold, if we break $4,423.20, we are breaking market structure to the downside on the 1-hour, the 4-hour, the 12-hour, and obviously the 1-day chart, which would be incredibly bearish for gold and could send us, pretty far down, to be honest with you. We really don't want to lose this $4,400 range right here, which is that prior double top. Now, you're probably wondering, where would we pull back to if we were to actually lose this level right here on gold, this $4,423.20 level, right? Now, inside of NORDIC Alpha, we're already prepared for that. I've literally posted a video today talking about where those supports are, and I've talked about these supports in abundance in the past weeks. So we know exactly where we're going to be seeing support if this level breaks and exactly what we're going to be doing. And if you want to know exactly what you're doing, make sure that you get inside of NORDIC Alpha. That's where all of my levels are going to be. That's where all my trade setups are going to be. And that's where all of my high level TA to get you prepared for these exact moves is. And I'm going to show you what happened on silver as well. The reason why silver went down, other than the fact that gold rejected at its 0.618 and gold kind of started to, fade, which in turn dragged silver a little bit down with it, was this bad boy right here. And again, this is something that we gave out inside of Nordic Alpha. Literally yesterday, I was talking about this thing, and I'll show it to you. I'll gladly show it to you. In my video, my metals video for yesterday, as you can see, I was talking about this rising wedge and everything on gold right here. This was literally the video that I posted yesterday. The whole point of this is a bearish charting pattern, okay? Especially when it's coming in a downtrend. Somebody in our group actually pointed this out, and I looked at it and I said, yeah, you're absolutely right. This is a wedge. And you got a perfect breakout, confirmation, back test, and then a full measured move on that bad boy. From that breakdown point, you hit it perfectly. There is a line in the sand here on silver that you absolutely 100% have to uphold. This thing could bounce up and start trying to take out the $95 to $100 range. There's no guarantee that that's going to happen. But one thing I can guarantee you is if we lose this line, it is going to get really, really nasty for silver. And I'm talking like super nasty. If we lose $71.20 and we don't like SFP this and just start taking off, flying high, we're probably going to be coming down here. Now, you're probably wondering, why is $71.20 the line in the sand? The reason is because we have our 1 hour, our 12 hour, our 4 hour, and our 1 day market structure lows all at $71.20. And if we close a candle below that, that means we are continuing the downtrend on every single one of those charts. And on the daily chart, that is bad news. All 4 of those chart time frames are in a downtrend on silver right now. So you're probably wondering, like, okay, what happens if $71.20 breaks down? That's where you got to get inside of Nordic Alpha, because we are already preparing for this right now. We have our levels already set. We have the trade setups already in there. We have the analysis already done. I literally just posted a video on it today. That is something that is so valuable to have, to understand where the markets are going to go. Make sure you get inside of Nordic Alpha. It is literally $29 a month right now, less than $1 a day. The prices will be going up in 2026, and we offer discounts on 3, 6, and 12-month memberships as it sits right now, so I would definitely take advantage of that. So now you know what the lines in the sand are on both gold and silver. In order for us to remain bullish, right, or start flipping to bullish in the case of silver, right, because we know that we're in a bearish formation. Why is this happening? This is institutions engineering liquidity because they have flushed out of their shorts. So basically what happened was JP Morgan and all their buddies had all these net shorts open. They flushed out. When they're trying to enter longs, they can't just hit one button, click, click, like we can, and enter $20 billion worth of longs, hundreds of billions of dollars worth of longs. They have to methodically pull price back so that they can build their position in increments, which is why you see gold pulling back, silver pulling back, and if they want to rip it up, trust me, they're going to pull it back to these levels a bunch of times so they can build their position, and then they're going to let it fly. So hopefully that is helpful to you, and if it is helpful to you, make sure you smash the like button, make sure you hit subscribe, and then boom, baby, bang on that notification bell. And if you want all of my high-level analysis, if you want all of my trade setups, if you want to know these things before they actually happen, you have to get inside of Nordic Alpha. We would be more than happy to have you. I would love to teach you exactly how to read these markets just like I do and be another success story inside of the Nordic Alpha Wolfpack. So with that being said, I appreciate you so much. I will see you in the next video, and hopefully I see you in Nordic Alpha very soon.